Have you always been unlucky in such a way that you have been unlucky not to find rich people that will spend money for you? You desire to have people in your life that will bless you, that will favor you, especially rich people. You should watch this video. Okay, I'm teaching you a very powerful spiritual exercise using simple natural item, salt, okay, to make rich people spend money for you. This is no joke, it's real. Salt has a lot of powers that God Almighty has given it. Okay, one of such power is the memory. Okay, whatever you say to it, it has the memory and it's going to go in the spiritual realm to bring that thing that you wanted to pass. I mean, it will bring it to reality. If you actually wanted to learn how to do this, please watch this video. At the end of it all, you will thank yourself for watching this video. I just wanted to have a belief, a faith, okay, and think about that day when this thing is going to work for you, and you would then believe me that thank you, Precious, for what you told me. You said I should do this, and I did it, and it worked. Just have that faith, and it worked for you. My name is Precious, and this is Precious Spiritual TV. I make videos that change lives, that make you attract money, manifest love, manifest all your heart desires. If you love all of that, join our channel, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn on all notifications, and God bless you abundantly. Now, salt has been used for centuries. It has a lot of spiritual benefits, okay, but the biggest part is the one I'm telling you today, how you can use it to attract rich people that will spend money for you. You really have to wait for that part. It's going to change your life. But before I get into that, I want to tell you some powerful spiritual benefits of salt. Okay, do you know that you can use salt to chase away demons, to chase away negativity? If you have bad aura, negativity in your environment, in your life, okay, anything that is blocking the manifestation of miracle in your life, just get some salt. Okay, if you have sea salt, that will be beneficial for you. You are wondering where you can get sea salt? Go to spiritual shops and ask them for sea salt. Okay, it has numerous benefits. Now, if you have demons, witchcraft, okay, you suspect that something is wrong in your home, in your business, all right, just get some salt. Okay, just place it anywhere in your house. Okay, you can even sprinkle some salt. You can put it in the four corners of your house. Okay, this will definitely chase away every form of witchcraft, every form of blockage in your home, in your business. You can do it in your home, you can do it for your business. Do it consistently. You will thank yourself for doing that. Do you know that you can use sea salt, okay, to stop spiritual attacks? If you are somebody like you're always finding it hard to go to sleep, every time when it is getting to the dark time, it's getting to night time, you get scared, okay, because you'll be thinking, I'm going to have this same dream again. If you're somebody like that, they always cry out in the sleep, you get depressed in the sleep, you're always having all kind of dreams, attacks, okay, please use sea salt. All you have to do is just make sure before you sleep, just before you sleep, you get some sea salt in your hand. Say a very powerful prayer to it. Tell God Almighty to use it as a form of protection, okay, while you sleep, to protect you, to use that same power in it to protect you, to destroy all these evil attacks, evil enemies, evil dreams that you're always having. And do make sure you do it consistently. Just wrap it up in a plastic and place it under your pillow and sleep. You will see that all the dreams you're going to have are going to be sweet dreams. You will sleep like a baby. Okay, there'll be no spiritual attack, no evil dreams in your dream. Try that. I've done that and it's worked in my life. All right, do you know that you can use sea salt, okay, to attract customers, to attract sales in your life? If you know, you have a business, it's going down, this business is not working, it looks like it's failing. Okay, you just sit there from morning till night, nobody comes to buy from you, nobody favor you, nobody even patronize you. You see salt, okay, or salt. Just make sure you get some salt, use it to mop your floor. Okay, put it in some water. If you can have rainwater, put some of this sea salt in there, maybe about 1 tablespoon of salt. Okay, and say a very powerful prayer, bless it. Okay, ask God Almighty to use it to cleanse your environment, to remove evil eye, evil altar, evil projections from your business. Okay, to make sure that blessings flow into it, and use that water to mop everywhere, the inside of your business place and the premises. You can even sprinkle the water everywhere. And make sure you do it consistently. What will happen will shock you. Customers will start flooding to your business. A lot of people will come for you. All right, you will sell and sell until you are tired. You can definitely do this if you have a physical shop or if you have an online business. It doesn't really matter, it works. Now the biggest part right now. So now, do you know that you can use salt, okay, to make sure that many rich people, whether rich men or rich women, they come for you, they beg for your attention, they beg to spend money for you? Do you know that this is very powerful? I tell you that sea salt that you see has a lot of spiritual benefit in it. All right, it has memory. That's one powerful, okay, source that this has, that God Almighty has given it. Okay, when you speak to it, it has that memory, it remembers what you tell it. All right, and you are going to make sure that when you say to it, it's going to go into the spiritual realm to make it happen. So this is what we're going to do. All right, the first thing you're going to do is just to make sure you get some salt. Okay, like a big, some salt in a bowl like this. All right, and you're going to make sure you activate it first. Say very powerful prayers to it. Tell God Almighty what you actually wanted to use it for, that you want to use it to attract rich people, rich men, rich people, not just men, not just women, but rich people, rich men and rich women that will spend money for you, that will beg to favor you, to bless you. Okay, and after that, just place this salt on your window, or you can keep it outside just for 30 minutes to make it powerful, to make it energetic, to make it spiritual. Then after that, you're going to take this salt, you're going to bring it inside. It's now ready. Now you're going to grab a piece of paper, a plain white paper. If you have white paper, brown paper, any color, as long as it is plain. All right, and make sure you have a marker. So you simply write, okay, your name first on that paper. Just write your name like that. Okay, and you're going to write, rich people come to me. Rich people come to me. Okay, when I say write it like that, make sure you write it. It's very, very powerful. And say, it is done. It is done. This is a very powerful petition. It's a very powerful prayer when you do it that way. So now you're going to take this paper after writing it like that. Okay, you only have to write your name once, your first name and your last name, and you're going to keep it in the salt. Okay, just keep it inside that salt to make sure that the salt covers it. I mean, it's going to cover. I don't know if you can see that, but that's what you're going to get eventually, because the salt is already covering it. So now after that, say a very powerful prayer. Tell God Almighty that as you use this right now, may it go in the spiritual realm to bring rich people from everywhere, whether from international countries or in your own country. People that will bless you, that will spend money for you. Okay, your destiny helpers, to bring them to you. That's essentially what this does. And the way this will work will shock you. This will go in the spiritual realm to bring your destiny helpers to you, rich people. Okay, people that will bring you out of poverty, that will bring you out of lack, okay, into prosperity, into wealth. So now you're going to take this, just leave it on your window for another 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, just use some of this salt to bath. Okay, you will continue to use that salt to bath consistently until you finish it. You'll be taking some of this salt a little at a time to put into your bath water each time you want to bath, and use it to bath. You make sure that you use that salt just by itself. I mean, the water that you use it, no soap, no towel, no sponge. Okay, you let the water dry on yourself, and you leave that. You make sure it dries on yourself by itself. So just leave it on yourself for hours. Don't take another bath after that. If you want, you can take a regular bath before this. Okay, then after that, you use this as a final rinse. All right. If you want to take another bath later on, wait few hours after this. All right. When you're taking your bath, just ask for what you want, and it is done. Use this salt until it's finished. In fact, for the first day you start doing this, you'll start to see changes in your life. Rich people will start flooding into your life. It's guaranteed that it's going to work for you. It has worked, it is working, and it will work. So once it is worked, okay, after using the salt, all of that is done. Just take this paper away. Okay, you can throw it out in the trash. Okay, make sure you finish all the salt. You'll be using the salt a little at a time, remember, until you finish it. So that's how long you're going to do the bath for. So God bless you. Come back and share your testimony after it has worked. Watch this video next. All right, for more spiritual videos like this, join my channel, subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications, and make sure you become active members on my channel. Press this like button if you love this video. God bless you. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.